Okay, so hi friends. So what I'm trying to say in this video is you must be hearing multiple news everywhere on the media that so and so company is doing so many layoffs, and this news is kind of uh, shocking everyone as well as, but it's expected, and everything is kind of being pushed to AI only, because of AI every layoff is happening. And the companies want to invest more in AI, and then what happens is after a particular time a lot of rehiring also happens, and that cycle is kind of going on and on and on. So the basic concept behind it is captured, as you can see in this image here, that this is the number of layoffs in the x-axis and this is the profits. So what happens is initially you start laying off people. Then what happens is you increase the profit margin because the proportionate amount is saved, because of the salary expenses reduction. Okay, so then what happens is the margins increases, share price increases, and the management is happy, everyone is happy, and some portion of that cost is fed back into the AI infrastructure, cloud compute, and other things. So so overall it's good for the company, that basically that increase of the margins. But then what happens is after particular point, what happens is you rely overly on automation, because you have less number of people, so you need more autonomous systems to help push your workflows. And because of that, what happens is the automation cloud, the cost basically starts increasing. Whether it's AI, tokens, clouds, infrastructure, everything starts increasing. And then what happens is that starts eating into your profit margins, and when that start eating into your profit margins, then the company starts thinking that instead of overspending on automation, and which eventually reduces the margins, it's better to hire people and reduce the automation cost. So that triggers a cycle of rehiring. Okay, so every company today in the software space is actually kind of trying to get to this sweet spot basically. Okay, so so that is kind of, if what I can say is that sweet spot is different for different companies, based on the each company's business model, on which they are operating, the amount of R&D funds they have, all the financials, and the vision of the CEO, and the investor backing, everything matters. But potentially, so the sweet spot would be different for different companies. But eventually what everyone is trying, especially in the software space, is to kind of get to the sweet spot basically. So now, as all of you know, that AI is pretty new, and a lot of update, a lot of churn, a lot of new learning is happening, and companies are still figuring out where to get that sweet spot. So what I feel is that there will be some churn in the market for some more years, that hiring firing cycles, till they finally figure out this sweet spot, and then things should get stable. Okay, so that's my analysis, guys. So if you like the channel, please subscribe, and see you in the next video.